Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Shabez online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to provide a solution to this question on the board. And the question reads, write in lowest form without negative exponents. And the given expression is what? X cubed y to power negative 2, z to power negative 7 over x to power negative 3, y to the power of negative 5, z to the power of 2, all raised to the power of 1 over 3. And we're asked to simplify this expression without negative exponent. So this is going to be very easy because if you consider the variable xyz, so these are the same variable divided itself. We recall division property of indices that say when we have a to power m divided by a to the power of n is the same as a raised to the power of m minus n. Since the bases are the same and there is division, we write one of the base, then we subtract the power. So this is the property we are going to apply first, because as you can see, x, x, y, y, z, z. So the bases are all the same. First of all, we write x cubed divided by x to the power of negative 3. We write one of the base, then we subtract the power. The first power is 3 minus, this minus is from the property. Then you put this one into the bracket minus 3. We just subtract the power. So the next one is what? Y. Then the first power is negative 2. Then raised, and the second power is what? Negative 5. Also, we put it in the bracket negative 5. This negative is coming from the property, and this negative is from the equation. Then the next one is z. Then raised to the power of the first one is negative 7 minus the second power is what? 2. Then all raised to the power of 1 over 3. So the next thing we're going to simplify, we have x here. Negative multiplied by negative is positive. Then 3 plus 3 is going to give us 6. Then y, we have negative 2 here. Negative multiplied by negative is positive. Then negative 2 plus 5 is going to give us a positive 3. Then the next is z. Negative 7, negative 2 is going to give us a negative 9. And all raised to the power of 1 over 3. And remember, when term in the bracket are multiply itself and raised to the power, so that means they can share the power. The power will affect each term in the bracket in the case of multiplication, but if it is subtraction, addition, it will not work that way. So they can share the power. So we have x raised to the power of 6, then the power is what? 1 over 3. Then y raised to the power of 3, the power is 1 over 3. Then z raised to the power of negative 9 raised to the power of 1 over 3. So we just share the power. Now we're going to simplify this using power property of indices. You can multiply the two power together. We have x here. 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. Then 6 divided by 3 is going to give us a 2. Then y. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Then 3 divided by 3 is the same as 1. And y is the same as y raised to the power of 1. So the next one is z. Negative 9 multiplied by 1 is going to give us negative 9. The negative 9 divided by 3 is going to give us a negative 3. So let's bring this one up. We have x squared, then y, then 0 raised to the power of negative 3. And if you look at the equation, they say we should write this in lowest form without negative exponent. As you can see, we have negative exponent here. So how are we going to do to remove the negative exponent? Recall when we have x to power negative 2 is the same as 1 all over x to the power of 2. X to the power of negative of anything is the same as 1 all over x raised to the power of positive of that thing. When negative exponent is going to come down, it will change to positive. So this is the same as what? X squared y, then divided by, then we bring this one down, z raised to the power of 3. The negative will turn to positive. And here is the lowest term of this expression without negative exponent. Thank you for watching, and please follow and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.